Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in the last video we looked at one of these. It's an OBD2 scanner. Now that stands for Onboard Diagnostics Scanner number 2. So you want to get number 2 because in 1996 the government said OBD2 scanners will be the standard. So if your car is 1996 or newer, this should definitely work. With that said, in the last video I asked for your questions on what you think I should do with this, and one of them was to give it a demo. So let's get to the car and see how to use it. Hey guys, so we're at my car, and the first thing you gotta do is find the port where you have to plug this in. So most ports should be around in this area. You should have to put your head here and look around. So now that we found the port, you can see that it's plugged in. It says TopDon TD300, that's the model number. And in the packaging you get a user manual. In this user manual, it tells you really how to use it. And at the end you have a bunch of codes that, depending on which code you have, it'll tell you what kind of error you're having. So with that said, we're gonna turn on my car and I'm gonna show you what the error is showing right now. So now that we have it plugged in, the car is on, what we're going to do is press enter and it'll start scanning. You can see it starts to say scan. Now right now my car is on, and you can see I have a bunch of menus. If I press scroll, I can erase all the codes, all the errors. I can check the IM. If I press enter on that, it says MIL off, scroll, misfire not available, fuel not available. Everything says not available. So what I want to do is I want to exit, then go all the way down. You can also check your VIN number. If I press that, you can see my VIN number right there. We're not going to show the whole thing, but if I scroll down to rescan on the 5th one, press enter, it'll rescan my whole car. Now that the rescan is done, I'll scroll down to IM, enter. You can see the MIL is off, misfire ready. Everything seems to be okay. And that's a good thing. So what that means is that so far these things in the IM section are okay. So if we go all the way to the DTC, DTC is what you want to look out for the error codes. So if I press enter, there are no codes, it says no codes. And what that means is that there's no errors in my car. So essentially, the maintenance required signal just means I have to go get an oil change, because after a certain amount of miles, you want your oil change to be cleaned out and refilled with new one. So a very simple device that just gives you codes on whether your car has some vehicle issues. If my maintenance required thing is on and there are no codes showing me any errors, that just means I need a regular oil change. So hopefully you guys learned something, and this is a very cheap device, mainly because it's been standardized by the government to let you know what's going on with your car. And your car is, my car is fine, I just need an oil change. There are no codes showing me anything, and thank you guys for watching. Well, that does it with this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to get yourself one of these, I'll leave it in the description also. And do I recommend it for everyone to have? Not so much, but if you have multiple cars in the same house, getting one of these can be useful if you don't want to get gypped off from your auto dealer when they're doing their checkups. So you can check yourself before you take it to the maintenance. So in this case, I didn't really have an error, and that just means I need to get an oil change. Thank you guys for watching. And lastly, before I leave, I'm going to be trickling in the program that I made. So if you want to check it out, it's for video content creators, and this is if you make multiple videos in a month.
So I make maybe like 2 or 3 videos a month, not so much, but it's definitely gonna ramp up. And this just helps in the process of getting those videos out quick. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Download the program if you need it. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Oh, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Subscribe for future content. So long.